More than 40,000 COVID-19 vaccine administered in Karbi Anglong. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host Julie Baby. Now let's look into the news in detail. As India sees disastrous situation in the second wave of COVID-19, the nation is also struggling with a shortage of oxygen cylinders in hospitals. With the daily numbers of COVID-19 cases crossing the 3 lakh mark daily, the number of deaths is also breaking its record. In Karbi Anglong as well, the numbers of positive cases is seeing gradual increase every day. In this situation, the health department is carrying on their vaccination drive. The vaccines have been administered in several health centers including Deephu Medical College and the Additional Chief Medical. So far, 41,700 persons have been vaccinated in the district. It has also been informed that there is no shortage of vaccines in the district. There are 229 Covishield and 97 Covaxin dosage available in stock.
Vaccines kita Karbi Anglong district Atunian till yesterday kamane 26 4 2021 anke niltum grand total niltum 41,742 gap interval between la two doses ke la pothalo Covishield ka bangke 6 to 8 weeks tamane 6 hafta ke lage derma pulo chekloyon raibe derma lapen ke 8 weeks mane cheklo joni angbong la hafta pen chekloyon yang bong si la so Covishield bang ke second dose pinang po lapen tu Covaxin ku bang dolang kala bang ke 4 to 6 weeks.
District Immunization Officer Dr. Durgeswar Ingti informed that from May 1 onwards, Karbi Anglong will also begin vaccinating the persons of 18 years and above. He stated that people should come forward and take vaccination so that the spread of the virus can be restricted. People should get themselves pre-registered through a portal provided by the government. On getting confirmation through SMS, the registered persons can visit the vaccination center to get vaccination.
18 plus 18 arta ningkan tener kepen abak atum apan amke la non ke bangdi me tarik isi pen ke niltum la tum pan anta niltum la soeng krim ipi pansi hukum long iglo tapi niltum ta cicik ik bombo.
It may be mentioned that more than 200 persons have so far tested positive for the virus in the second wave of its outbreak in Karbi Anglong district. Resonancy Report, Karbi Anglong Live. The Karbi People's Liberation Tiger has warned of Karbi Anglong shutdown if the family members of the 12-year-old girl are denied justice. This was stated during an awareness and memorial meeting at the KPLT designated camp in Langtibo. The call for district shutdown was stated by KPLTM Chairman Rongbin Ijang at the meeting held in memory of Sumila Ronghangpi, whose suspicious charred body was found at the house of Prakas Borthakur in Raha, Nagaon on April 22, 2021. The KPLTM chairman also asserted that the accused must be put on trial and awarded fitting punishment as per the law of the land. He also stated that their group would not remain as silent spectators and warned that they would be forced to call for a Karbi Anglong shutdown if justice is denied to the family.
Kopisi rape murder pulatang te kopisi hadak lo longke dogma la soteng pening sai jakni la bangso insai kontek the ba insai se la son tak saksi bi kopji pulatang te nitum kipirti ehin peta kipirti ehin kata project ke apo dojoje lake momo sitame nitum la so putha ka bakke insabjin pege to tekelo
Meanwhile, KPLT Finance Secretary L.S. Dingjang also charts that the minor girl was raped by Prakash Chandra Borthakur and his son Nayanmoni Borthakur before being killed by setting her on fire to erase the proof of their demonic act. He also said that the duo should be hanged to death for their crime, which is not acceptable at any cost.
Nasiarang lipang nilitumahin pen hasipi bonang ji kusimikin pinyang program padunang kolonda lasi alang li klem chok chipilo soaro tumhan kelang rem.
While speaking to local media, a woman said that the minor girl was raped and murdered, and therefore the accused person must be awarded exemplary punishment to ensure that such heinous and inhuman act is not committed by any person in the future. The woman also expressed her sentiment demanding justice for the family member and to instill confidence of security to all women in general.
Labang so ke chokche, labang so ke lang rem. Penapot alang itu mah pisung beg nanti laki. Lapusan jong si klem puro tu monon phi kami soaldo tumhan lang rem bompo lapen ke cinek bompo. Lahen don ni cungi dia lam ke lapen ke thege dinga tum tame lapusan si klem po pasin tum ning ke thelo.
Meanwhile, students of Dilai Higher Secondary School, Dilai KSA Head Branch, KSA HDP and Hatoka units lighted candles to express their condolence to the family and to seek justice for the family members of Sumila Ronghangpi. Vijay Rongpi's report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Film Society Central Committee held a candlelight vigil program in front of Ru Samson Singh Memorial Park in Dipu on Thursday in support of the demand for swift justice and punishment of the father and son duo who has been accused the alleged murder of 12-year-old Karbi girl at their house in Raha, Nagaon district on April 22nd. Along with students and civil and social organization of the Hill districts, the Karbi Film Society held the program at the Ru Samson Singh Memorial Park in Dipu to pressurize the government for swift justice in the gruesome case, which has attracted condemnation of the incident and pouring their support in seeking justice for the poor family.
যোৱা 22 এপ্ৰিলত যিটো ৰহা যিটো জঘন্য এটা কাণ্ড হৈ গ'ল, যিটো আমি সপোনতো ভাবিব নোৱাৰা কিছুমান কাণ্ড, যিটো জঘন্য অপৰাধী দুগৰাকী যে অপৰাধ কৰিলে সেইটো অক্ষমনীয়, সেইটো কোনেও ক্ষমা কৰিব নালাগে। আচলতে কেনেকৈ হ'ল, কি হ'ল, এতিয়া বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ কথা ওলাই আছে। কোনোৱে কৈছে তাইক বহুত হাৰি অত্যাচাৰ কৰি তাক হত্যা কৰা হৈছে, কোনোৱে কৈছে তাই গৰ্ভৱতী আছিল, 12 বছৰীয়া ছোৱালী। যদি সঁচাকৈ যে তাই গৰ্ভৱতী আছিল তেতিয়াহ'লে সেইটো মই নিজে হয়তো ক'ব নোৱাৰোঁ। মই যদি আইনৰ কিবা থাকে মই চাগে বহুত কি কৰি দিলে কিজানি মই আৱেগিক হৈ যাম বহুত এইবোৰ কথা ক'ব গ'লে। গতিকে কি আছিল, কিহৰ কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ তাইৰ মৃত্যু হ'ল, কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হ'ল সেইটো আমি এতিয়া ক'ব নোৱাৰোঁ। সেইটো আইনে কৰিব, সেইটো CBI কৰিব। ইতিমধ্যে আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ কাৰ্যকৰী মুখ্য তুলিৰাম নৰখাংদেৱে ইতিমধ্যে অসমৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী মাননীয় সৰ্বানন্দ সোণোৱালদেৱক এই বিষয়ে অৱগত কৰিছে।
The Karbi Film Society Central Committee body led by President Thoniram Tiso, General Secretary Dilip Bey, Rajiv Kro, Mohendra Teron, Bipul Terang, Atulin Tokbipi and several other members were present to show their solidarity and support in seeking justice of the allegedly murdered victim's family. Bikram Teran's report for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have it is for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.